everybody, this is MicahSoft once again. I have, as you can tell, I'm feeling a little sick here. My throat is, I have a lot of phlegm and stuff, but anyway. I have 3 unboxings today from eBay. Yeah, 3 of them. These are, I got like a few cheap things off of eBay. I got, one of them is 4 memory cards I got off eBay for $6 with free shipping and handling. I got a Nintendo 64 game, and I got pretty sure this is my memory card for my PSP. It's a one of those duo things where you can put 2 micro SD cards in each in the thing, and then it makes it so you can have like double the memory of whatever cards you have. But yeah, I will get started on this one first, the smallest one. Yep, that's what this is. Put that, and I'll show you. I got my memory cards up here. Okay. Now, see? A little flimsy, but it's alright. If it works, it works. See this? It's got a slot where you can put one right there, and then one right there. And I have two 2 gigs. Stick one right in there, and then stick the other one right up there. So that gives me a 4 gig card. I'm gonna get more memory cards so that I can actually use bigger ones and that have more memory. But anyway, that's that. Next, I'm going to be unboxing my 4 memory cards for my N64. And here we go. And 2 of them are the 4 times ones, where you can select the different stuff on it. It's got a little screen, it's got the buttons there. And there's another one I got of the same thing. And then 2 of them are, one's a 256, and then the other one I think it's just a regular, I don't know, I'm not sure, it doesn't have a sticker on it, but it works, hopefully. I'm not going to be testing them on camera, I just want to do a quick unboxing of them. Next, I'm going to be doing my, this is Zelda Ocarina of Time for Majora's Mask. For Nintendo 64, I got this for $11 off eBay. Okay. Not bad. Pretty good condition. All the stickers intact and everything. So, alrighty. This has been an unboxing with MicahSoft for my Zelda 64 Ocarina of Time game. 4 memory cards. And my Pro Duo adapter for 2 micro SD cards. This has been MicahSoft. Thank you for watching. Peace out.